Good morning and namaste to all of my dear students. It's me Kamal Pokhriyal. Today it is the 20th day of virtual class of Standard 4. Today I am with the new topics Mother Teresa. Okay. Very important topics. Mother Teresa. You know that Mother Teresa, she is very old famous lady. Okay. And she is known for her noble deeds. She is known for her great social work. And she was awarded, Mother Teresa, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She is also known as a mother of, poor, sick, needy, helpless and homeless people. She is also known as the mother of poor, sick, needy, helpless and homeless people. She was awarded many prizes. Okay. While staying in India also, she was awarded by many prizes, and also she was offered the Bharat Ratna in 1980. Bharat Ratna, it is very important, very great honor in the India. She was offered the Bharat Ratna in 1980. Bharat Ratna, it is the honor. It is an honor given to the great people who give the great contributions for the society. Now let's know about when she was born, where she was born. Okay, Mother Teresa was born on August 27, 1910 in Skopje, which is the today's capital of the Republic of Macedonia. Okay, she was born on August 27, 1910. Actually, Mother Teresa was a foreign lady. However, they came to India for helping the very poor people who were helpless, who were homeless, who were suffering from diseases and could not afford their treatment. She helped them. And her father was a merchant. And she became a nun of the Roman Catholic Church. She became a nun of the Roman Catholic Church, and she was convinced that she should devote her life helping the poor and needy people. She realized that my life should devote in helping the poor and needy people. So she made up the mind, and she devoted her whole life to help the poor, needy, helpless and homeless people. Okay. She was convinced that she should devote her life helping the poor and homeless, and she gave the importance to the humanity. She gave the great importance to the humanity. She was very kind lady, and she always fought for the humanity. at the age of 18, she left her country. She left her country and joined the Sisters of Loretto, an Irish community of the nuns with a mission in Calcutta. It means that she came Calcutta with this group. Okay, as a religious nun, as a nun of the church, she joined this the group and she came to Calcutta. She learned English. Because English was not her motherland. She learned English and got religious training there. When she came Calcutta, then she began to learn English and got religious training. And she taught, okay, in her starting phase, when she came India, in Calcutta, she taught at Saint Mary's High School for girls. It means that she serves as a teacher first. But when she saw very poor people there suffering from the poverty, when she saw the people suffering from the poverty, then she decided to leave the school. Okay, leave this the school job, and she began to serve these poor people. Okay, by she established the she started missionaries of the charity. It means that the missionary of the charity, especially it was established to take care of the poor, the sick, the homeless, and the helpless people. She devoted her latter life, okay, to in helping the poor people, the needy people, the homeless people, or helpless people. For this great work, for this devotion, she was awarded. I have already described also. I have already mentioned she was awarded Nobel Peace Prize and other several awards, and also she was offered Bharat Ratna by the Indian government. Yes. While involving in this social work, okay, she realized that there needs some school, hospital, home, orphanage. Okay. Orphanage means the home for the orphan who don't have parents. The children who don't have parents are called orphan. Orphanage means the home for this type of children. She realized, and gradually she started school, hospital, orphanage, and home for the poor or needy people. Okay. She did her best. Yes. She was a kind lady, there is no doubt. But she brought her kindness into her practical life. Mother Teresa social work was recognized all over the world. She became very famous as a very great social worker. She became very famous all over the world. Each and every people know about the Mother Teresa. She was first recognized by the Indian government, awarding the Padma Shri for her service in 1963. Okay. Before she was awarded, before she awarded by awarded Nobel Peace Prize, the Indian government awarded her the Padma Shri, one of the very important and very big prize award, okay, of India, which is given to the very prominent people, very important people. Padma Shri award. She was awarded the Pope John 23 Peace Prize. Okay. Before getting Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, before getting Nobel Peace Prize, she was awarded the Pope John 23, and she got several prizes. She was awarded, I have already mentioned, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for her great social works. Okay, and due to the heart problem, she suffered the heart problem, and she died in Calcutta on September 5, 1997, and she left this mortal body, physical body forever, but she always remains in our heart. Okay, she always remains in our heart and mind. Okay, this much about the Mother Teresa. Okay, the real name of the, I have mentioned here, the real name of the Mother Teresa, Agnes Gonza Madhasiu. This is her real name. When she came to the Calcutta, she got this title, Mother Teresa. Okay, all the people in the world know her about the Mother Teresa. Okay, this much about the topics, Mother Teresa. Dear students, I hope that you might have clearly understood this lesson and go through this book also. Read this lesson again and again. You will understand more clearly. This much for today. Thank you. Take care.